get to it. Let's get it all back together. I'm the clutch master, oil on my sleeves, that's standard. Rain in my face, I'm laughing. Jack it up, quick wheels off, no stalling. Gearbox dropping, hands in the dark, still locked in. Cold wind cutting through the overalls. I don't quit till the problem's gone. I'm the clutch master, no one's better than me. In the rain, in the mud, I just fix with your brain. Get to it, let's get it all back together. You break down, I make it run forever. Clutch master, no one's better than me. From the floor to the flywheel, all eyes on me. Get to it, let's get it all back together. You rolling broken, drive out better. Milwaukee tool man, light up the bay. Trigger in my hand, rust give way. Spanners, hammer, rat in the tray. Sockets in line like soldiers obey. Rain in the roof, I'm under the frame. Grease on the ground, spell out my name. Bolt by bolt, I rewrite fate. Let pedal come back with that perfect.
Clutch master, that's the tag. You can find me up on YouTube, camera on the bag, recording every clutch. Let the customer see what I do with these hands, how it all should be. I keep time like a vault, I'm there